This spreader is equipped with the Fugitive dust recovery vacuum system. The vacuum fan is up there at the top. It's drawing air out of these two big hoses that come down to a shroud around the spreading auger. So the blower is going to blow air down this green hose. You would attach this to your fill pipe here, and then in the cab you turn on a PTO to activate the auxiliary hydraulic system that's powering the vacuum. This valve here is your speed control. So play around with the speed of the vacuum fan. To draw the optimal amount of air out of this shroud. Again, that fan will blow air back into the fill pipe. The air goes into the hopper where the dust can settle down, and then the air will come back through this filter can here and release clean air to the atmosphere. Make sure the pulse jet filter can is still operating when you're using the vacuum.